I'm just here today to introduce to you a great product, the Sewinfla inflatable paint booth. Just come on in, I'll give you a brief synopsis of our facility, and then I'll take you back there and demonstrate this great product. This is our unique office. We make it kind of comfy for everyone, for you to have a comfy environment while we sort you out to get your automobile repair and also to sell you your favorite vehicle that you're looking for. Come on back here and I will demonstrate this booth, this great product. Here is the booth in this package. I'm gonna roll it up and show you it works. Get it real good tight. This is the greatest thing I've seen for a small shop like mine. Here we go. You drive it in. Here. Release. Release. You can do both ways. You got a zipper on the inside. That's it. And you have your Sewinfla inflatable paint booth. Here we got one of the product over here. We're gonna walk through here. Like I said, for the small guys like myself, this is the best thing ever. This is it, guys. They're gonna go back here and show you the mixing room. This is the mixing room. You got a truck door, your car is there. Yeah, the car is in here. The door is here. You enter from there. You go through there with your hose. Okay. I would recommend this booth to anybody. It's good for automobiles, furnitures, whatever you want to paint. This is the ideal product for you all. It worked for me. I guarantee you it will work for you, and you're gonna want to kick yourself to wonder why didn't you get one so early. But there it is, guys. Go get it. It's worth the money. It's inexpensive, and it gets to your doorstep sooner than you think. Go inside here. You can see how fast it is to deflate. After you paint the car, let it sit for a little bit. It's warm inside there, so it's like also baking. So it works well. Whoever designed this, they did a tremendous job. And there it crumbles. There we go. You fold it up, stuff it away. Whenever you're ready for it again, same procedure. Pay your car, fine job, no grease and grime, no flies, no dust. All right, thank you. All right.